You need to change the way you're gardening. I don't have to use any fertilizers. I never have to water my plants again. Torpedo Pot does it for me. Torpedo Pot is designed in such a way to provide your plant with nutrition, so you don't need a lot of those synthetic fertilizers that you put in your plants. Torpedo Pot is a self-growing, it's a self-watering, it's a self-feeding system that takes care of your plants for you. And it's like nothing else you've ever seen before in your life. We grow more food in our Torpedo Pot than you can grow in your garden.
For you. All you have to do is put your seeds in or put your seedlings in, walk away for the rest of the year, and it grows your food for you. You plug up a little hose in the back, you turn a knob in the front, and automatically the water goes through.
They can buy backhoe, tiller, all these equipment needed. All of that equipment is now obsolete. You don't need any of that to grow healthy, delicious food. Guess what? The reason why is because you can't grow food. Nobody can grow food. Nobody could ever grow food. Food grows by itself. I don't have a secret to growing this food because it's inherently a part of this fruit that I'm looking at. So the genetic inheritance that's in that fruit is what causes it to grow, not what I do. What I do is create an environment in a Torpedo Pot for it to grow. So your Torpedo Pot will grow during the spring season. It'll grow during the summer seasons. It'll grow during the fall season. Some of you might even have 4 seasons out the year which you can actually grow food. Anything else. The food grows by itself. We simply create an environment that allows the food to interact with the soil so that it can build its own environment. That's what this is all about. As a matter of fact, see those Torpedo Pots behind me? They're so good at what we do in growing food. You can hook up hundreds of Torpedo Pots from one spigot. You can grow more food than your local farm, and you don't have to be home.
Different approach. This pot has been designed to grow fungus. Fungus is in everything. And this little dirt right here, you might have 1 million bacterial counts in this little soil right here. And all of them are doing a specific job to break down matter so it can produce food so your plants can come and get it so they can build its own environment and it can live.
We have a process called sustainable biotic environment where we stimulate the microbes in the soil to grow your food. And trust me, there's a lot of microbes out there that want to grow your food. The supplements that you're getting from vitamins and everything you're taking, you can get it directly from the source, from the fruit itself. You can have wholesome and healthiness and nutrition and rejuvenate yourselves with the food that you have in your backyard.
Because we realize a lot of people use fertilizers in their to feed their plants, and what we try to tell individuals is that fertilizers they're like a drug. What you do is that you put the fertilizer in and it goes to the plant's root system and the plant absorbs it up, but the plant is not going out and reaching and getting its food. The plant is not existing in an environment, a natural environment, where the microbes and the fungus are there to help break down those particulates and make them available to the soil. So you don't have that building soil process. You simply throw your fertilizers in, it goes up into the plant, and it's like a stimulus to make the plants behave in a certain way, not with Torpedo Pot. How beautiful they are.
Look how healthy.
Yeah, they do look healthy, don't they?
Oh, look at those roots. Very.
So healthy.
I can't wait to get them in there.
So we eat the carrot tops as well as the carrot bottoms. This is a lot of food. Hey guys, my name is Darryl Addison. I'm the founder, CEO at Torpedo Pot. We make self-growing planters. 3,000 seeds in these planters right here. 300 seeds in each planter. And they're growing carrots. Torpedo Pot is designed in such a way to provide your plant with nutrition, so you don't need a lot of those synthetic fertilizers. It's strictly organic. And it's able to stimulate your plants and grow them like you've never seen before. This is Torpedo Pot. This is the future of gardening. Now, the 21 pounds of carrots, I want to show you, this is what we're getting from our carrots, okay? This is what we're getting from our carrots. So, I want to show you they're self-watering flower pots, they work. Self-growing flower pots, they work. They grow your food for you, okay? These carrots have been in here for about 3+ months.
and we put them as little seedlings, and they develop. I'm going to take this in and have me a delicious breakfast with this right here. This is so beautiful, guys.